Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am finally getting around to making my DIYs from my March Simply Earth box. So if you aren't familiar or you didn't see my first video, I just posted an unboxing of the month that I got. It was my first month that I've tried and I basically am obsessed. So they send you, this is the monthly essential oil recipe box. So it comes with 4 different essential oils. They are their own brand, so Simply Earth brand. And then your first month, you get this big bonus box, which is super cool. And then I think after 6 months, you get another big bonus box. But basically what this is a bunch of carrier oils, so coconut, almond, castor, vegetable glycerin, and then a bunch of rollers and bottles, and then a big coconut oil. And I don't know if they're different each month or if this big bonus is the same every time. I haven't looked that far into it, but anyways, they give you recipes as well, and that's what I'm doing today. So if you want to go back and see my unboxing, you can do that. I also have a coupon code that's in that video, and I'll put in the description here too. It gives you $40 back to use towards your next purchase. So it's a really good coupon, and I love this so much. They're all about community and education. They give you recipes and everything you need to create a more non-toxic natural home. But anyways, that's kind of just a recap from my first video. But these are the recipes. I'm not going to do all of them because some of them you need to like heat up, like the beeswax to do the lip balms. So they give you beeswax and beetroot powder to do like a tinted shiny lip balm, and little lip balm tubes. So that one I'm not doing. There's also a face mask that I'm not going to do because it involves honey and an egg, and I'm not prepared to do a face mask. But one of the things that I love also is that it has inspired me to get back into those sort of self-care things. I don't know the last time I've done a face mask or a hair mask, and I used to do that stuff all the time, so I'm excited to get back into it. And each month is different. This is just what this month is. So it's focused on like beauty and DIY and natural beauty things. So anyways, here are the recipe cards. This is a diffuser blend. And it's Beauty Within, which is an oil that came in this box, and it's a blend of lavender, rosemary, myrrh, and frankincense. So 3 drops of Beauty Within, 1 drop tea tree, and 1 drop amorous, and those all came in this month. And that's the diffuser blend. So obviously I'm not gonna do that right now. This is the hair mask. But it is that Beauty Within, honey, egg, castor oil, and a fun little hair mask, which I need to do. So I will do that shortly in the next couple of days. This one is the lip balm, which Emery likes making this kind of stuff with me too. So maybe I'll wait for her to do that one. And then these 3 we're gonna do. So this one, or the first one, is a Beautiful Skin Roll-On. So basically like a face serum, if you will. And so you need amorous, tea tree, Beauty Within, fractionated coconut oil, and then a roller. So I have the roller here. And if you've never made a roller before, all you have to do, it comes like this. You pop off this roller ball, and then you fill it and then put it back on, and then it has a lid too. So we're gonna do 2 drops of amorous, excuse me, 1 drop of tea tree, 2 drops Beauty Within. Okay, so shake up the Beauty Within, and we're gonna do 2 drops, I think of that one, right? Oops, that was more like 4, but that's okay. 2, swirl. That one smells so good. And then it says after you're done, so fill it, shake it, whatever, and then apply to acne prone areas. So this is for, yeah, like that, for more acne prone skin, which tea tree, amazing for acne, blemishes. There are so many essential oils that are good for 1 drop of this for skincare. This is tea tree, 1 drop of tea tree. I'm gonna do a few more than what it calls for, just because I'm very used to essential oils, and tea tree is super effective. I just want a little bit more of that one. Amorous, this is a super thick essential oil, so I think I might just take, I don't know if it's even gonna come out of here, to be honest. Let's give it a try. So it might say somewhere too, but I'm not familiar with this white little plastic lid. I might have to look into that, but this I'm assuming it's because it's a super thick oil. I'm just gonna take this off. You wanna make sure you're using clean hands if touching these like this at all. I'm gonna try to get, it's like the thickest essential oil I've ever used. Okay, I got 2 little drops off of that. 10 ml fractionated coconut oil. So here's the coconut oil. So when using using carrier oils on your face, I would test out different ones to see which ones work the best for you. I love jojoba oil for my skin. Let's see if I can just go for this, or if it's gonna make, oh, is there a little cap? What was I saying? Oh, so because there's so many different carrier oils that you are able to use for your face and skin, and just see which ones work best for you. You just kind of like a trial and error type of thing, but jojoba oil is my favorite, but coconut oil is always a good one too. So how easy was this to make? Also, just a couple drops of essential oil, some coconut oil, close. Okay, so I filled it almost to the top. You just pop your roller back on. Oh, I forgot something really important. So in your box, they also give you stickers. This is what mine currently looks like, because Zara got to mine. She's our 2-year-old, and she just thought they were fun stickers. So she put them all over the place, and I've been finding them all over. So I'm gonna have to make my own. Oh, there it is. This is the beautiful skin roller. So really cute labels too. These are like really awesome, and it has your ingredients and directions on. So love that. It's like, you know, it's kind of ruined. So I'm gonna have to like make do with what I have here and maybe tape it back on. But I love, there's like, they do nothing wrong. Everything that and I said this in my other video, like everything so far that I have just like seen and come across with Simply Earth is so good. So there's the label. How cool is that? And I'm gonna have to tape it, but I love it. That was the beautiful skin roll-on. Next, soothing facial essence. This is kind of like a tonic. What else did they call it? Let's see, once I use comment, repeat. Oh, shoot, for this one we also need, so using a container with a lid, add hot water and essential oils, secure the lid. I don't think I'm gonna make this one either, because I can't just sit down and make it. You need to heat up water. Okay, so you secure lid on a container and let cool. So you have to heat up water, add your oils, and then filter out the oils with a coffee filter, and that is your hydrosol. That's the name of it. So I'm not gonna make that one right this second either. Dang it. Okay, so this is the hair growth support serum. Okay, so in this you need castor oil, 3 drops of Beauty Within, and a small jar. 3 drops, 1.5. So I'm gonna just use this one right here. They give you a bunch of these when you get your big bonus box. So 1.5 tablespoons of castor oil. This is just like an essential oil bottle, and it has a little lid. And then once you screw this back on, it'll break the seal, and you can open it. I'll show you. But 1.5 tablespoons of castor oil. This one is the castor oil. So I'm just gonna do what I think is 1.5 tablespoons. Take this lid off. Yeah. And on this, just side note, it has more information about each carrier oil. So the botanical name, extraction method, aroma, absorption. It's a weird word to say. And then suggested use. So it has like the information and like education is endless with them. I'm just so impressed with that. Okay, so we're gonna do castor oils thick. Tablespoon and a half-ish. And then what was it? 3 drops of Beauty Within. I'm gonna do a couple more than 3, maybe like 5 to 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then you just mix it together. Apply a small amount to your hair at night. In the morning, wash serum from your hair using your normal. Okay, so you'll want to wash this off. It's not like a serum, like a leave-in, where you're gonna want to wear it through the day. This is like a treatment type of serum. So you screw this lid on really tight. And you can hear the click, and it seals it, and then you unscrew, and that little lid will be in there. So you can just put a few drops in your hand and apply to your hair, whoops, at night. You'll just have to wash it off. So this is super cool. My hair is gonna be shining. Natural Beauty, what was this one? Natural Beauty. What? Oh. Oh, so I will do this one. I'm like reading and super confused. So in one of these, I'm going to make my diffuser balm. That's what I like to call them. Just like if you have a blend of essential oils that you love diffusing all the time and you don't want to just grab all of the bottles every time you go to fill your diffuser, you just mix them up in a bottle like this. And then this is your diffuser blend or diffuser balm, whatever you want to call it. But I didn't read far enough into that, so we'll do that. It's the Natural Beauty Diffuser Blend. So it says, add 60 drops of Beauty Within, 20 of tea tree, and 20 of amorous, which we are not gonna get 20 drops out of this, so thick. And then put it in a 5 ml bottle, and that's your little diffuser blend. So I'll do that while we're at it. And this is the label for that too. That's why I was like, what is this? Oh, Zara. If you guys have kids, you know the sticker struggle. There are stickers everywhere. I'm always taking a sticker off of something that it shouldn't be on. Okay, so put this label on and then we'll fill it. It's gonna be pretty full, I guess. 60 drops of that, that's a lot. So, let's see. Here's this, here's the Beauty Within. Do approximately 60 drops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that was about 60. And there is a 20 tea tree. This is such a good fresh diffuser blend for spring. I was just saying how I really love using or diffusing like eucalyptus, lavender, and rosemary in the spring. It's just a fresh like spa vibe. Tea tree is really good for like killing germs and things like that too, so always a good idea. And then amorous, I haven't read too much about amorous. I think on the back of one of these though. So on the back of your recipes is just a ton of information too. Education all over the place, so you will not be without that. Okay, so actually while we're just looking here, on the back of this one says a little bit about the oils. So for amorous, it says calms, cleans, and uses for skincare, dilute before using on the skin, kid safe 2 and up, pregnancy safe, cat safe, and dog safe. How cool is that? Oh, Beauty Within, that one says not dog safe and not cat safe. That's just good information to know. Tea tree is not either. We kind of knew that. With essential oils and dogs, there is a list of oils that you should not use. I get that question quite a bit. And then for us, really, it's just been about testing in very small amounts. You can see Frankie back there. Just to see if they have any sort of reaction. I might need to get, so I'll add the amorous to this later. I need to get just like a dropper so I can take it out and put it into that bottle. But that is my little diffuser blend now, which I am very excited about that. So you can make with any of these, you can make any, diffuser blend that you like. So if you just like lavender and rosemary or whatever, I like to do that for the kids' room because we like cedarwood, lavender, chamomile, sometimes orange, and I just mix them all together so that it's just so much easier than grabbing each bottle. Okay, what else was I going to make? Oh yeah, the serum. Oh, I already made that. I was looking for the sticker for that when I got distracted. So here's the hair growth support serum sticker. I'm going to slap that on the serum. These are really cute labels too. Oh, and side note, or another thing that I was thinking of, I don't want to forget, 13%, that's a big number, 13, of profits goes to help end human trafficking with Simply Earth. So that's amazing. That is, I mean, I can't think of another brand that does that at all. That's a huge amount of money. And just how cool is that, that they are giving so much back to end such an important cause. Okay, that is it. That is all I think that I'm going to be able to do just sitting here at the table. But I'm going to make that, the lip balm, all the other goodies in just a minute. But another thing is that they do not have unlimited number of boxes each month. So you want to make sure you jump on it if you want to get that month or subscribe. And then again, my link to shop will be in the description, and the coupon code will give you $40 back to your next order, which that's huge. $40, that's a lot. So it's a good deal. It's an amazing box. I haven't found anything that I am not super impressed with yet. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I love Simply Earth, and you will be seeing a monthly unboxing and a DIY video each month. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.